Hello ladies and gentlemen, in today's video we are going to create this animated chart in PowerPoint. You are at the right place if you are a student and want to present any charts in your next presentation. To create this chart, follow these instructions. Let's start. First you have to take a blank slide, right-click and select Format Background, go to Picture or Texture Fill, and select the picture from your computer file. It's a black gradient picture I got from Canva. After that we have to create arcs to make our chart. Go to Insert, select Shapes, click Arc and create one. Then right-click, select Format Shape, and change line width to 12 points. Then make it circular and make it larger. Now again go to Format Shape and change Cap Type to Round. After that, duplicate the shape and increase its size. Set these shapes according to the slide guides. Once again, duplicate the shape, but increase its size from the last one. Duplicate these shapes twice more and make their size smaller. Then you need to color these arcs. From Coolers.com, I select a color palette. After that, I give them colors using this palette one by one. Select all the arcs and click Ctrl+G to group them. After that, duplicate this shape. Set the other shape and ungroup these arcs. Now make complete circle of each arc one by one. After that, select it and give it a black color and set transparency to 30%. Then send this shape to back and place it behind the colored arcs. Select first arc, right-click, go to Format Shape, click Effects, select Glow, and set the presets as shown. Give all arcs this preset one by one. Then change the glow color according to their original color like this. You can insert any relevant text here. Place the data table on which you will create the chart and arrange it. Go to Insert. Click Charts, select Pie Chart, and insert it. Then remove third and fourth row. Give first row name visible and second transparent. Change first row percentage to 80% and second row to 20%. Then right-click. Select Format Chart Area. Click Chart Options and select Series. Go to Chart Series and set angle of first slice to 180 degree. Now select transparent part of chart, give it no fill. and no outline. After that, select Visible Part, give it its solid line of white color. And set width to 2 points. Also give it no fill. Then right-click on Chart and select Edit Data. To see the slide better, make this table smaller. Now change the visible part percentage according to the data table we select. And arrange arcs according to these percentages. Repeat the same process for each arc. And delete the chart. Now we are going to add background gradient. Go to Insert, click Shapes, and insert a circle. Right-click and go to Format Shape, and give circle a no line, and gradient fill as shown. Now go to Effects, and set Soft Edges to 100 points. Increase size of this gradient and place it behind the chart. Then search for Selection pane. After that, ungroup these text. Now select first circle and text together and group them. Give them a name metric 1 in Selection pane. Again, select Next Text and Shape and do same again. Name it Metric 2. Do same for all 5 metrics. Now select First Arc and First Percentage of Data table and group them. Give them a name Arc1 in Selection pane. Then again select the second arc with second percentage and do the same. Repeat process for all the arcs and percentages. After that, select First Arc, go to Animation panel, click Add Animations, and select More Entrance Effects. From there, select Fade Animation. Now go to Animation pane and set duration of 0.20. Then select Trigger on click of metric 5. Check that it's working. Then go to Add Animation again, click More Exit Effects, select Fade Animation, place it below First Animation in Animation pane, and set duration of Exit Effect 0.20. Select First Arc, click Animation Painter, and give all arcs the same animation we applied before. and then set trigger of all arcs according to the metric number or color. After that, select all elements on slide and adjust them like this. For the finishing touches, add extra text and some elements.